media team, whom we've worked with for now close to 2 months. This is MediaForce, was exceptional. We appreciated their attention to detail and how on top of things they were. They were able to, guide us, because this was our first event, and they were able to give us a lot of ideas proactively on how we should go about certain things. And therefore, working with MediaForce and in partnership with our co-organizers, which is Accord and Comesa, this was able to come out as successfully as it was. So we thank MediaForce for their creativity, for their professionalism, and for their execution, and we think we would like to work with them in the next version of this.